question asks us to predict which atom the Br plus ion is likely to react with. Looking at this structure can be a little bit hard to tell. There are some tricks that we can use to figure this out. One of those tricks is to look at the second best resonance contributor, because that resonance contributor typically defines the molecule's reactivity. Looking at this molecule then, we can draw another resonance contributor by taking a lone pair of electrons on this oxygen, using those electrons to form a new pi bond between the oxygen and carbon number 2. Breaking the pi bond between the carbon 1, carbon 2 bond and moving those electrons onto the carbon as a new lone pair. That would form a new resonance contributor that has a charge separation. Let's draw that in. This new resonance contributor has a negative charge on carbon and a positive charge on oxygen. This is the second best resonance contributor. It will typically define the molecule's reactivity. The Br plus ion has a lack of electron density. It is an electrophile. So in this resonance contributor, I'm focusing on the carbon with the negative charge that has excess electron density and will be a nucleophile. Therefore, I would say that carbon number 1 is the atom most likely to react with the Br plus in this reaction.